Just replace the fuel pump on your classic Alfa Romeo and now it cranks but won't start. Here's a quick fix you might be missing. If your rear wheels are lifted and you only added a little fuel, like less than a gallon, your fuel pump might be sucking air. These older Alfa tanks need enough gas to submerge the pump, especially when the car's angled. Drop the car flat. Add 3 to 5 gallons. Turn the key, listen for the pump. Then try starting. Sometimes it's not the wiring, it's just gravity and geometry. Fix that, and you're good to go. Don't forget to order your hard-to-find parts for your classic car at Oz's Garage. Free shipping in the whole USA.